the YJ MGC 4x4. Everyone says this cube is great, but is it really that good? Well, let's try it out. In today's video, we're gonna unbox and review the YJ MGC 4x4. So let's get into it. So apparently, if you're subscribed, which you hopefully are, because like 82% of you guys who watch my videos aren't subscribed, you know what happened to my last 4x4. But this is supposedly actually a really good cube. So let's start opening it. I guess this would be probably a very good way to open it. If not, then scissor to the rescue! Now let's open this up. Hopefully that worked for taking off the plastic. Ah, there it is. I think this, you can take that off. And there is the 4x4. But first, let's check the box. The box is supposedly really nice. It comes with this. It also, what I'm really excited about is this comes out with an accessories box. So let's just open the accessories box first. This probably has instructions in it. And I know how to solve the 4x4. I mean, I'm pretty fast at it. A Ziploc with a screwdriver. I know why that would be there. Another Ziploc with springs and instructions which we don't need, but you might need. But if you don't find these instructions, then check out my tutorial on the 4x4. But anyways, let's leave all that aside. The main part is the cube. Now, as first what I see, this cube fits my hands pretty good. As my old cube was, I think, pretty big for my hands. I just touched it. That's crazy. And here it is, the YJ MGC. Now, according to Google and some other sources, this cube is really good. It's still available. Many people buy it. There's new versions like the YJ MGC 4x4 Elite. But most of all, according to ChatGPT and lots of sources, this cube is meant for competitive cubers. And what just happened there? Now let's do my first turn on it. Now this feels like it's gonna be a little tight. Okay, this feels really good. The magnets are a little too strong, but honestly, I love it. I mean, it's been pretty much a long time since But anyways, this cube is, I already feel it. So I feel like it's pre-lubed. I don't know why, but sometimes I have that feeling. Now, what I think is, I'm gonna show you why a screwdriver is needed for cubes, because I think that this needs something, and I get my first parody case. Now this cube is good. It may have a little too strong magnets, but the best thing is that, which I had a problem with my last 4x4, is that it doesn't lock up a lot. And look at that MGC logo. Now, what is the screwdriver for? Well, I'm going to show you. The screwdriver is for loosening the tensions or tightening it. If you want your cube tighter, so like a bit more stable and hard to turn, you can use the screwdriver to tighten it. But I want to loosen it, except it's going to be a little hard. So you can, you get the idea, right? So that is how you can loosen your cube to make it faster. Now, the magnets, they click fast in place like that, which is a good thing. I feel like this could be good with some lube, but I don't know where exactly my lubes are. But checking more about the instructions. Do I approve these instructions? Is it a good method? Are they teaching it correctly? I can know because it has an English side. So let's see if they're doing good. YJ is officially my favorite brand. They don't only have a 4x4 cube, they have a 5x5 and 6x6 and 7x7 tutorial. That's actually crazy. What? I don't believe it. Like, look. Okay. So you up, down, right, yup. Centerpieces are not fixed. So it's doing a pretty good tutorial. And same thing for the 5x5, I guess. And the 6x6 and 7x7. So when you get the YJ MGC 4x4, you can not only learn how to solve the 4x4, but also the 5x5. That's not my main 5x5, I have a different one. 6x6 and 7x7, which is a really good thing. I give it a thumbs up. But let's check what else it came with. Springs. This is good. I don't know how they change your springs, but if your springs are maybe a bit dusty or you want new ones, you can insert those in. And these are more springs, I think. Wait, they come with magnets. This is actually pretty crazy. Like, they come with magnets. Most cubes don't even come with all of these accessories. The box was also real nice. And I think this is going to be my new main. All I need to do is probably loosen the core, loosening the tensions, and probably lube it. And I think this will be one of the best cubes in the world. But the most important solve. Test solve. The YJ MGC 4x4 is an awesome cube. It clicks in place easily. You can rarely ever lock up with it, but we need to do a solve with it. It's been a while since I solved a big cube, so I'm not expecting to get a good time, but if I get a sub 1 minute 10, you have to hit the subscribe button. Deal? Okay, let's scramble this thing up. Okay, I'm inspecting. It has been a long time since I have solved a 4x4 Rubik's Cube, so I'm not expecting to get like a crazy time, but a good time would also be nice. This cube is really good, I'm not joking. Oh, I fell into an infinite loop, so let's redo that there. Oh, I didn't get a sub 1 minute. Double parody, but a 1 minute 6. You got that. You need to like and subscribe. But I feel like I could have done better than that. I think I'm gonna do another solve. Here we go. PV3, 56.96. Yes! Let's go! Yeah! I just got my third best solve ever. This cube is goated. I really recommend it. 56.96. What? I think I could get sub 1 minute solves way more if I loop this and maybe loosen the tensions. Overall, the YJ MGC 4x4 is a really good cube. I recommend it, and yeah, it's really, I feel like, really meant for competitive speed cubers. Not just competitive, but any sort of speed cuber. This cube is great. That's it for today's video. See you in the next one. Make sure to subscribe. And yeah, that's it. I literally just got opened that cube and now it disappears. Why? Oh yeah, I know why. You guys aren't subscribing. Please subscribe. Bye.